Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illnesses, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. What have you been asking for? Make sure that you're making it clear. Write it down, make it plain. Skip no lines in your manifestation list. If you leave open spaces, Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, they have to fill in the dots. They need to fill in the lines, and you may get something that you didn't expect. It may not be for the worst, but it may be something that you really don't care for or you didn't want to be in your reality. So make sure that you're very specific. You've been doing the work. You have been promoted where your attitude, you can be trusted. So whatever you've been asking for, they're going to say, okay, I want to give you what you want. Make it clear, and I will bring it to you. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs. Understand that needs or wants are totally different. Your wants, that's what makes life so difficult, so colorful. But when you talk about your needs, you have basic needs that are very quite easily to attain and to maintain, and life is much easier when you maintain your needs and don't worry about your wants, the designer, the type of life, that luxurious life that you're looking for. You can have those things, but make sure you take care of your needs. Make sure they're taken care of, and then you hop into your wants, and then your wants come much easier and faster because you don't have to worry about your needs. I assert myself and retain my power. Use your intellect. I'm brave. You are brave. Then you are gentle. Being a tremor, not an earthquake that can break through the whole world. It only, not only does it invite positive energy, but those that are willing to help you. When you are a tremor, you're not ruining anyone's balance or footing. And those that are here to help you, they won't trip and fall and say, well, that's a dangerous person to be around. It takes too much to be around that energy. No, be that inviting, gentle energy and watch how things just flourish your way. I don't have time, and I don't have to be afraid of others because I respect myself and you're respected by others. Respect yourself. Walk with integrity. That shows people how to respect you and how to handle you because of how you handle yourself. If you don't show yourself the proper love, how can others say that you're worth or know how to handle you in the right way with the proper love? Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page was a blessing to you. I love you.